thank you for stopping by. My name is Lucindash, and if you're new here, you are most definitely welcome. Do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. Join this beautiful family that I have here because this family is amazing. And to my other subscribers, thank you so much for always being there for me. You are welcome back. And in today's video, I'm starting by doing my baby's laundry. I haven't done that in about a week, so I thought it wise to start by it. So it's early in the morning and the sun hasn't come out yet. It is actually very cold today, and I'm hoping that the sun will come out later. Also, don't forget to give me a like for this video because it helps my channel a lot and it's a way of helping me too. And also, YouTube will recommend this video to a lot of people, so just press the like button for me, you guys. Show me some love.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down.
And guys, you can follow me on Instagram. Let's interact more. My Instagram handle is @lucy_dash. Follow me and we can interact more, guys.
You go to sleep, keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down.
So guys, I'm having porridge, one chapati and some eggs. It's super cold in our place, and I definitely need that porridge. Yani it does it for me. Inaikanga baridi kwa kona, so I needed it. And there's still some more porridge left, so I'm definitely going to be drinking some time ikienda. So but for now, let me just finish this. Yani I just needed it, you know.
Until you break down.
So guys, I have done some groceries for the week, and this is what I have. I have coriander, I have danias. There are two of them. These are for 10 shillings. You know, for the danias, I don't buy much. I like them fresh. So these are for 10 shillings, and this can be used today and tomorrow. I also bought tomatoes. I bought tomatoes for 100 shillings, and I took the ones that are ripe and the unripe ones, so that at least by the time namaliza hizi zitakuwa zimeiva. And I also bought onions. This is the size I like. These are for 50 shillings. And I also bought 2 green peppers. So that's, yeah, so hizo ndizo nyanya nyanya, onions and the green peppers. Okay, so here I have soko. This is for uji. Soko sour, this is what I drink every day. Not every day, but okay, maybe once in a while, because now I'm breastfeeding and I need porridge now and then. I have Rina vegetable oil. This is 1 liter. Soy sauce. This is what I use for the meat. I have 1 kg cabra sugar. I have salt. I have cocoa. I love cocoa so much. And I also bought 3 kgs rice. This is kangore rice. This is what I'm using right now. Kangore, 1 kg goes for about 150 shillings. So I bought 3 kgs. That is going to take me for about 2 weeks or so. I also bought mbaazi. These are nearly 1 kg mbaazi. And the njahes, 1 kg. So the 2 of these are going to be boiled today. And I'm also expecting some meat in the evening. I sent someone some meat, and I'll be boiling the meat and also these ones today. So guys, that is the groceries that I have. Although I still have some shopping left, I still have some munga, I have some more salt, more sugar, and a lot of other cereals. So this is what I needed for now. As you can see, that is everything. I got these winter shoes from Gikomba, and they're so comfy and very warm. Very good for this weather. So if you're looking for shoes like this, you can get them from Gikomba. Yani, I'm feeling so good, you guys. I wish you can feel how I'm feeling. And this is how serious the weather is. This is how cold it is. Yeah, and you know, we are just keeping it. Lazima tujikeep na to some activities to keep us going in this weather. We need it.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me low, I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been
So I'm sorting out the njahes, and I'll also be sorting out mbaazi because I need to have some cereals for the week. And so I'm just going to boil them and portion them so that I'm good for the week. One thing I've come to realize about cereals is that it's good to go through them. Hata kama umenunua from the supermarket, always go through your cereals. You never know what you'll get in them. Unaweza pata stones and some other bad things. Just make sure you go through what you're eating. Hata kama ni rice, whatever. Just go through what you're eating. It's always good. It's always good to be safe. I think manjahi are almost ready. Ndio niwekelee the mbaazi, and I did this so late because it's almost kitu 7 and ndio time ya supper. I'm preparing for supper and I'll be cooking ugali and beef. So my beef finally came, and so I'm cooking some. So today we are just going to have ugali and pure beef, no skuma, no greens, no nothing. So the njahis are ready and this is how they look.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I liked you deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart needed, but now no I can't keep going. I was the best boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me high.
If you haven't given me a like for this video, guys, you need to give me that like. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, go ahead and subscribe. Do not miss on any of my posts, because I'll be posting each week, guys. You don't need to skip it. Just keep watching my videos. And this is our dinner. This is how delicious it was looking. As you can see, guys, try cooking your meat and add some soy sauce, some beef chili, coriander, and green peppers, all those power ingredients, and I promise you're going to be loving your meat. And so, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in till the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic, no, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than